So I just did something kind of wild. I took a random Amazon product link and turned it into a finished AI-generated video ad with market research, of campaign strategy, and multiple creative variations without leaving a single chat window. And I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Let's dive in. First, let me explain the problem. If you've ever made content for an e-commerce brand, you know the drill. You need constant new creative, and to make it, you're bouncing between like 5 or 6 different tools, an analytics dashboard for research, a spreadsheet for planning, a Google Doc full of prompts, then one AI tool for images, another for video, and then an editor to pull it all together. It's exhausting. That's where Topview MCP comes in. It's basically a full-stack marketing agent that plugs directly into AI assistants like Claude. Platform data, content strategy, image and video generation, and canvas editing. All connected in one workflow. Let's test it. Okay, setup first, and honestly, this took me about 2 minutes. I'm using Claude, but this also works with Codex and Cursor, or even in ChatGPT. Okay, this is my Claude desktop app. You can also use the web version. Now, first of all, I will add the Topview connector. So I am coming to the Customize option. Here, you will find all the settings. Here at the left bottom corner, you will find the Skills, Connectors, and Plugin options. We have to select the Connectors option. Now, you will find all the pre-built connectors. You can connect them with Claude and use them later. We have to add a new connector. So, I am clicking on Add from here. You will find 2 options. We have to select the Add Custom Connector. A custom connector creator pop-up will appear. Now, we have to enter the name. I am typing Topview. Now in this box, we have to enter the Topview URL. I will just copy and paste the URL from Topview. After that, we have the advanced settings. We don't need to do anything from here. So, I will leave them as they are. Click on Add. And here it is. The connector is set. Now we have to connect it with our account. Just click on the Connect button, and it will redirect you to your web browser. Now you have to log in to your Topview account. If you are already logged in, just authorize the connection, and here it is. You can see that the Topview is now connected. Now, if you click on the plus icon from the prompt box, you can see the Topview connector is ready to use. No API keys, no data integrations, no uploading spreadsheets. It just works out of the box. All right, let's actually use it. For this demo, I picked a portable blender off Amazon, and I chose it on purpose. It's the perfect example of a product where creative fatigue is real. There are hundreds of these things. Every seller is fighting for attention on TikTok, and if your ads look like everyone else's, you're dead. So the question is, can this workflow actually find an angle that stands out? Let's find out. Step 1, research. I'm pasting the Amazon link into Claude with this prompt. Pull TikTok trends, Amazon reviews, YouTube comments, and Shopee signals for this product. Summarize audience pain points and winning hooks. Claude is working on our project. It's pulling out the product information and researching all the data. It shows it can do general web research, or we can use the Topview AI connector to research via Topview. I will go with Topview, and I am asking Claude to do it. Now here's the part that impressed me. This isn't Claude guessing based on training data. Topview MCP has built-in access to actual data signals from Amazon, YouTube, TikTok Shop, and Shopee. So it's pulling real market signals. And here's the report. Let's look at what it found. First, the pain points. Look at the battery life. Many users are complaining about the battery life. Amazon 1 stars. Battery, doesn't keep a charge. Needs charging 2 to 3 times a day. Dies mid-use even after a full charge. But plenty of 5 stars say the opposite. Battery lasts more than expected. Next, the build quality failures. Motor burned out after 6 uses. Units cracking at the base or lid. One buyer's blender started smoking after 3 months. Then, blending inconsistency, overheating, or shutting off mid-blend. The dishwasher safe claim is disputed by at least 1 buyer and more. After that, the winning hooks. Real corded power cordless is the load-bearing claim. It's the top line in Ninja's own marketing. Echoes through nearly every 5-star Amazon review. Portability fits your life narratives outperforms spec lists. Problem agitate solve framing is proven in this niche. Ice crushing / frozen fruit power is the proof point people reach for. Easy cleanup. We also have the TikTok context. And in the end, we have the strategic angle. That's more than I usually get from an hour of manual research. Okay, our research is done. Now let's move forward to the actual building. Now, and this is the part most AI tools completely skip, strategy. I'm asking, launch a campaign for this product. Build audience insight, message map, campaign plan, and content brief. And it gives me 4 actual documents. First, the product summary. After that, the audience insight. Who's buying this and why? The message map. The core message and supporting angles. The CTA bank. What should we use or what is actually working? The campaign plan. Platform mix. TikTok versus Reels versus Shorts. Testing structure. And the content brief. Actual video concepts with hooks and storyboard direction. This is just amazing. We just did a work of professional marketing strategy team's work within a few minutes. All right, let's actually make something. I will create some social media posts for this product, and I am asking to do that. And here you can see that Claude and Topview is working together to create the social post for us. And now Topview is generating the image. And here it is. It creates 3 images for us. You can click any image and open in your browser. I am opening all the images. Now, look at the result. Clean design, clear typography, accurate context, and amazing design. All of these were created with GPT Image 2 in 4:5 ratio, perfect for Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. Now, if you want a different output, you can ask Claude to do it. It will use Topview to generate the images. All right, now let's create a video for this product. I am asking, generate a UGC style video, POV of someone making a smoothie at their desk. Close-up of the button press, satisfying pour into a glass. Natural office lighting, vertical 9:16, about 25 seconds. While that's running, what's happening behind the scenes is that Topview MCP is orchestrating actual video models like Seedance. I'm not picking a model, tweaking settings, or leaving Claude. It just handles it. And here it is. Our video is ready. Now we can open it in the Topview canvas and then view or customize it. Let's watch it. So, first impressions. The lighting and the pour, genuinely good. I'd say scroll stopping. As a TikTok ad running at full speed on a phone, most people are not going to clock this as AI. For something that took 1 prompt, I'm honestly impressed. Now here's where it gets really practical for anyone running ads. Everything I just generated lives in Topview's canvas, which is this infinite visual workspace. All my assets are here, side by side, and this is where you iterate. Okay, honest verdict time. What did this actually replace? In my normal workflow, this would have been an hour plus of manual research across TikTok and Amazon reviews, a planning doc, prompt engineering across at least 2 different AI tools, and then organizing everything in folders, realistically, half a day. This took me under an hour in 1 chat window. Where's it strongest? The research to strategy part, honestly. Most AI tools can generate content. This is the first one I've used that helps you figure out what to make and why before making it. That's the actual differentiator. Who's this for? If you're an e-com seller, a brand, an agency, or a creator who needs volume, ad variations, product content, testing at scale, this is genuinely worth trying. If you make 1 artisanal video a month, you probably don't need it. Link to Topview MCP is in the description if you want to try it yourself. If this walkthrough was useful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.